Hi guys, Professor Fayu here with another very interesting video, that is time utilization. I hope that you have been enjoying a very pleasant moment in a relaxing mode, but I have a specific request for you that please make a due attention for this session because we are discussing a very important topic, utilization of time. I have done some research on utilization of time which help you in this regard. For example, two persons having same job, same position, same workstation and same in all aspects. After few years, one of them gets dominant position and attractive promotions. How he gets such privileges in same opportunities, but other one fails to get this position and achievements. The person who achieved the success, he utilized his time in doing research, in reading books, in analyzing the life of successful peoples in the world. But in the other side, other person utilized his time in sleeping, in gossip with friends, in wandering here and there, and in useless activities. My dear viewers, it's very important that you should get knowledge of time utilization, how to manage your time in better way. Those people who utilize the time in best way and also enhance their skills of communication with others in society, they get success faster, more faster in comparison with others. Moreover, communication with others is only way to give awareness about personal thinking, about personal observations or problems. Communication opens the door of solution and also it plays vital role in regarding your stress and tension. Communication opens the door of solutions and also it plays vital role in releasing your tension or stress. Communication gaps cause so many problems like misapprehensiveness among friends, among family members, or among other partners or colleagues. Always do communication with other and also put regard to those persons who share their issues with you, because every person having self-respect and honor. I think respect is like a two-way traffic. If you give respect to others, then you should also get respect in response. So please follow the rule of do respect and have respect for successful life. Please feel the importance of significant activities like social development and time management. Please feel the importance of significant activities like social developments and time management. Spend your time with your valuable friends, with your older and seniors, with your teachers. All these activities should polish your personality among others, among family members. Sometimes so many things which we doing today may not give us any benefit today, but this is our future investment, same like that we invest money or other assets. With the passage of time we earn more from these investments. Same like that, social activities give us output not at the spot, but after some time. A person who utilizes his time in social activities today, he should get its benefits in future. So don't waste your time in useless activities. Try your best for serve those who are weak in the society. Try to help them remain positive and also follow the rule of thankfulness with creativity. It's your best time utilization. So the time utilization is very important and basic element in our life. Those persons who observe this principle never face any problem. They get success day by day and earn more among other people. So please get lesson from a video that the time utilization is very important and basic thing in our life. Thanks for liking and sharing my videos. Be happy and live long, my respected viewers. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.